Ballast Water Treatment System, BWTS. Onboard a vessel. 1. Purpose of BWTS. The ballast water treatment system is installed on ships to prevent the transfer of harmful aquatic organisms and pathogens from one region to another through ballast water discharge. When ships take in ballast water for stability, they also take in microorganisms, plankton, larvae, and small marine species. If discharged in another port, these organisms can become invasive, disrupting local ecosystems and causing environmental and economic damage. BWTS ensures ballast water is treated so that discharged water meets international environmental standards. 2. Regulatory requirements. IMO International Maritime Organization. Under the Ballast Water Management Convention, BWM Convention, ships must comply with D2 discharge standard, limits the number of viable organisms released. Ships must have an approved BWTS, carry a ballast water management plan, maintain a ballast water record book, hold an International Ballast Water Management Certificate, USCG. United States Coast Guard. Ships trading to the US must meet USCG ballast water discharge regulations, which are sometimes stricter and require, USCG approved BWTS, reporting ballast operations before arrival, compliance inspections. 3. Main components of a typical BWTS. Depending on the system type, UV, electrochlorination, ozone, chemical dosing, etc. Components usually include, ballast pump connection, automatic backflush filter, removes large organisms and sediments, treatment unit, UV reactor, electrolyzer, or chemical injection system, neutralization unit, if chemicals are used, sensors and analyzers, total residual oxidant, flow meters, pressure sensors, UV intensity sensors, control panel PLC system, sampling points, alarm system, power supply units. 4. Working principles. Most BWTS use two-stage treatment. Primary treatment filtration, removes organisms larger than 20-50 microns, protects downstream equipment, reduces sediment. Secondary treatment disinfection. Methods include, UV irradiation, damages DNA of organisms so they cannot reproduce, electrochlorination. Seawater is electrolyzed to produce disinfectant, chemical dosing biocides injected into ballast line, ozonation. Ozone kills microorganisms. 5. Treatment stages. During ballasting. 1. Sea chest intake. 2. Filter removes larger organisms. 3. Water passes through treatment unit. 4. Treated water enters ballast tanks. 5. System logs data automatically. During deballasting, UV systems often retreat water during discharge, chemical systems may, measure TRO levels, neutralize chemicals before discharge, final monitoring ensures compliance before overboard discharge. 6. Operational sequence. Ballasting, system started from control panel, correct flow confirmed, filter differential pressure monitored, treatment unit activated, tanks filled. Deballasting, system switched to discharge mode, TRO or UV sensors verified, neutralizer injected if needed, discharge valves opened, overboard monitoring active. 7. Monitoring and control systems. BWTS is automated via PLC or integrated ship automation system. Monitored parameters include, flow rate, pressure drop across filter, UV intensity, TRO levels, temperature and salinity, power supply, valve positions. Data is recorded for, compliance inspections, logbooks, alarm history. 8. Alarms and safety features. Typical alarms include, low UV intensity, high TRO at discharge, filter clogged high differential pressure, loss of power, low salinity for electrochlorination, sensor failure, emergency stop activation. Safety features, automatic shutdown on failure, interlocks preventing untreated discharge, bypass locked sealed, chemical handling precautions, ventilation in treatment rooms. 9. Maintenance requirements. Routine maintenance includes, cleaning or replacing filter elements, UV lamp replacement and quartz sleeve cleaning, sensor calibration, electrolyzer inspection, chemical tank inspection, checking neutralization dosing, software updates, spare parts management. Planned maintenance systems. PMS. Onboard usually track BWTS tasks. 10. Common operational challenges, high sediment or muddy water clogging filters, low UV transmittance, cold water reducing chemical effectiveness, low salinity affecting electrochlorination, sensor drift or failure, crew unfamiliarity, power limitations during port stays. 11. Crew responsibilities. Ship staff must, operate BWTS according to the manufacturer's manual, maintain proper records, conduct routine tests, respond to alarms, prepare for port state inspections, ensure chemicals are safely handled, report malfunctions, keep certificates and approvals available. 12. Environmental protection role. BWTS helps, prevent spread of invasive species, protect fisheries and coastal ecosystems, meet international maritime environmental standards, avoid fines and port delays, promote sustainable shipping practices. Like this BWTS tutorial. I hope you understand concept of BWTS system. Please do like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Techtai Digital Lifestyle and hit the bell icon for update for new video. Thanks you for watching this.